I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Subaru Crosstrek tire. First, ensure your safety by parking on a flat, stable surface, well away from traffic. Engage the parking brake and turn on your hazard lights to alert other drivers. Next, gather all necessary tools: your spare tire, the vehicle's jack, and the lug wrench, usually found in the trunk or under the cargo floor. Before lifting, use your lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. Turn them counterclockwise about 1/2 to 1 full turn, but do not remove them yet. Next, carefully position the jack under the designated jack point on the vehicle's frame, as indicated in your owner's manual. Begin to raise the vehicle slowly and steadily until the flat tire is completely off the ground. Now that the vehicle is lifted, you can fully remove the lug nuts and then carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs. Set it aside. Next, align the spare tire with the wheel studs and slide it onto the hub. Once the spare is in place, hand tighten all the lug nuts back onto the studs. This ensures the tire is seated correctly before lowering. With the spare tire hand tightened, carefully lower your Subaru Crosstrek until it's fully on the ground, then remove the jack. Now, use the lug wrench to fully tighten all the lug nuts in a star pattern for even pressure. Remember to check the spare tire's pressure and drive cautiously to the nearest service center for a permanent repair. Also, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.